In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps required to delete your ChatGPT account and permanently remove all your chat data. Whether you are looking to clear your digital footprint or you simply want to start fresh with a new profile, it is important to understand that this process is permanent and cannot be undone. To begin, you need to log into your OpenAI account on a web browser. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for your profile icon or name at the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open a small menu where you should select the Settings option. Within the Settings window, navigate to the Data Controls tab. This section is your command center for privacy and history management. You will see an option to delete your account at the bottom of the list. Before you click that button, remember that deleting your account will also wipe out any API access or paid subscriptions associated with that email address. If you only want to clear your conversation history without losing the account itself, you can instead choose the Clear All Chats option. However, if you are committed to a full deletion, click the Delete button and follow the verification prompts. OpenAI usually requires you to type in your email address or a specific phrase to confirm that you are making a deliberate choice. After you submit the request, it may take up to 4 weeks for your data to be fully purged from their servers. During this time, you will lose access to all your previous interactions. I hope this guide helps you take control of your personal data. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.